And welcome back to another video of TechnoSpike. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can actually install and run OpenCart on an AWS EC2 instance. So let's dive into it. Firstly, I have created an instance and I am connected to it via SSH. The first command we are going to run is sudo apt. So I'll quickly paste it here, and here we go, and it will start installing the Apache server, web server, to our system. Sorry, it will like update it, and now we have to install the Apache server. So for installing the Apache server, we are going to use another command, which will actually it is very powerful, reliable, and highly extensible web HTTP server. So let's just quickly install it. So here we go, and then after that it is run, we need to check that, verify that if it's working fine properly. So for that we are going to check its status by pasting this command here, which is called sudo systemctl status apache 2. And as we can see that it's active and running fine, so we can move on to next step, which is installing the PHP. So I will quickly install the PHP on our server. So here we go. I have sudo apt install software properties common. It's going to install the PHP for us. Like, we are going to install PHP after that. So there is a repository for PHP which is called as ppa onreg/php. I will provide all the commands in the comment section as well. So here we go. This command will install PHP for us. So let's just wait for it. It will ask you to enter once if you want to really install it. Then after that, we are going to install the PHP extensions which are necessary for us. So I will quickly install all of them. So I will provide these commands in the comment section, so you can copy and paste it. So these extensions are actually needed to run the OpenCart services on our server. Now here there are two steps. We can create a MySQL database for it, or we can connect it to RDS as well. But I'm going to create what it's called MySQL on my server simply, and you can just quickly use it. It will be local, so just install MySQL server with this command, which is called sudo apt install MySQL server. And then we need to set the password for it, and I will provide the commands for it, but I am for now I am going to pause the screen recording and till it's completed, because I don't want to share my password. So yeah, just give me a break. So yep, I have successfully created a DB and assigned a password to it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the OpenCart. For that I am using this command, which I'm going to alter a bit. So just give me a second. I will quickly share it with you. What is this command? So it's like 3.3, and it's gonna be 3. Yep. So I am installing OpenCart 3, so you can choose whatever you want. So here it is. I am going to alter it a bit. So let's just quickly check which OpenCart is latest. OpenCart 3 latest. So we can use that. So what versions of OpenCart are there? So we can quickly assume which we are going to install. So the latest OpenCart version, okay, it's not here. So we need to find a list where OpenCart 3 is available. Yeah. So available OpenCart 3. No, just why there are no version specifications. Which is the latest? Not the latest version 3. Okay, it's 3.0, 3.0.38. Okay, so I'm gonna just copy this thing, uh, command C, and I'm going to just replace it in my code. I will share the command with you once it's ready, because I am actually replacing the versioning. So yep, command V. Okay, C, and here we go. All right. So now I have this command which I'm going to show you. I'm getting it from the OpenCart repository, so it's gonna be something like this. I'm going to replace this one. Just give me a second. I will quickly remove this one. It actually exists on the OpenCart. We are just getting it, and so we can unzip it and work on it. So just bear with me for a second. Okay, here we go. This is the command which is going to fetch GitHub from their release version 3.0.38, and I will just simply press enter, and it will extract all the files. And after getting it, we are going to list the things by typing ls to see if it is actually there. So it is here. We can see that it's already here. So now we are going to unzip this file. So for that I'm going to use sudo unzip, which you can quickly unzip it as simply with this command. And after that I have installed the unzip. Now we are going to unzip the file. So for unzipping the file, you have to press unzip space, unzip space the file name. You can write open and tab, and it will automatically reload that file for you. And I'm unzipping it, so it's going to unzip it quickly. Once it is done, now we have to move these files to the public directory, which is var www and html. So I'm going to quickly do that once it is done. So just give it a second and it will be completed soon. It's simply unzipping the file. Okay, there are a lot of files to unzip. So I will pause the video, and we will get back to it once it is done. So yeah. So yes, it is completed now, and we have to move it. Firstly, we will type ls and see. Okay, it's extracted. Now we have to move. For moving, we will type sudo mv, and the upload folder, we have to move it. For moving, you know that we have to place this and star, and now all the content of it, we have to move it to where /www/html. And once we press enter, it will move all these things to their the upload folder. You can check it by again pressing the ls. You will see that it's it should be moved. Yeah, so we have to go to cd and then /www/html. So I will process ls here. You can see that all my files are here. So once they are moved, now what we have to do is we have to configure the you can see that there is a config file, but with dist we have to rename it. So for renaming, we have to simply type a command sudo mv config tab and we have to move it to config, rename this file to config.php. So you can see that we can verify it by ls. So it's moved. Now we have to go to admin, cd admin, and there will be also another config file. So again the same command, which was this one, and you can press enter, and you can see that it's also renamed. Once it is renamed, what we have to go is we have to provide the suitable permissions for read write permissions. So we have to give this permission first to the var html folder. After that, we need to give the chown and data r permission as well. So just press this command, and after that you have to remove the index.html file. So we need to move a bit one folder above, and once you are in HTML, you need to type sudo rm -rf and index.html. So it's going to remove the previous index.html file, and then you need to restart the Apache server with the command sudo steml. Oh, sorry, the command is right. Systemctl, and then you need to restart Apache 2.service service. Yes. So you need to press enter, and it will restart the Apache server. Now you can go to your domain and check if it is working fine. So I'll quickly move to my domain and will tell you further what we need to do. Okay. So guys, I was able to install it. So in this manner you can set up and install OpenCart 3 on your instance. Thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely rest of your day.